to the Technology Lab at LBJH Junior High. This is our annual open house meeting. Unfortunately, this year, due to COVID, we're choosing to host that meeting virtual. So I'm going to introduce you to the classroom, myself, and some of the great projects your students will be working on this school year. As you know, Tech 9 is an advanced engineering class that's a year-long in duration. Most of my students in this Tech 9 class have been with me for numerous years. Others are just joining our program. I'm very excited to see the great things these individual students bring to our class on a daily basis. A little bit about our Tech 9 class. As mentioned, it's an advanced level engineering class that's a year-long in progress. We have a variety of projects we do, from CO2 dragsters to 3D modeling to surfboard design to video game projects and design as well. Throughout the year, we'll have an abundance of projects and tasks that are due on a weekly basis. The best resource as a parent that you can utilize is to utilize my school website at LBJH Junior High. If you do a search for Hampton, you'll find the website that you can see on your screen now. This website has all of our class projects and due dates and the slides the students see on a daily basis, with our weekly planner and all important projects and links and anything your student needs to be successful in my classroom. Our technology program is based on a 4-point scale, with 4 being the best you can possibly get. 0, not so much. I check and update my Infinite Campus twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening before I go home for school. When you need to see your students' grades, those are real time and always updated. When in doubt you have a question, don't hesitate to give me a call on my classroom phone, which can be found in my Google Classroom and on my school website. Let's go take a quick tour of our classroom and I'll show you what a Tech Lab is all about. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our classroom. It is by far one of the most technologically advanced rooms in the entire nation. The district has done a great job of providing us all the tools and equipment we need for our students to be successful and have opportunities to work on state-of-the-art technology. As you saw, we have multiple 3D printers, CNC routers, and laser cutters. In addition, we have an in-class spray booth where students can spray paint and paint without the fumes. As we move towards the back of the classroom, we've got a variety of woodworking tools, including bandsaws, drill presses, scroll saws, and table saws. Our Tech 8 students will be required to utilize all those tools to find success throughout our projects during the semester. When in doubt, if you ever have any questions or concerns about what your child is learning, please don't hesitate to call me. My contact information can be found on my Google website. In addition, it can be found on Infinite Campus as well. When in doubt, don't hesitate to ask. I really prefer a phone call over an email to make sure we have all of our loops closed. Once again, thank you for spending your afternoon with me during our open house. I'm excited to spend the day and the week in the semester with your child. I look forward to learning along with them as our semester progresses. Thanks for attending and have a great night.